What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me. Here we go. Time for an adventure. Time for some fun. What am I doing today? Let's see on this episode of this adventurous channel.
What's up, all? Last day of the year, last mod of the year. Let's get this on. Got some side steps. They're high up from, what is the name of it? Wolfstorm. Thought it was pretty cool since Geronimo. The theme is like more nature, Indian-esque, because Taino Indian, plus my name's Geronimo. Figured something with wolf would be nice on it, and it seems like a very, very good good side step. So let me see, put it in, install it, do a couple videos of it, and then I'll get to it. All right, see you soon. Pretty wide, not bad. Okay. And I think this is the hardware for each side. Three brackets and cement. That's it. It's just 3 brackets, guys. It goes along the frame. So you have the frame holes there. You have the 3 mounts that mounts the top where you can put the body mount kit on. Well, there's a big one in the middle and then the 2 on the side. Well, the 2 on the side is where it actually mounts. And these are the ones right here. These right here, you see? These go, once you get the mount on, these go underneath here and mount this on here. And that's it. So it's basically 12 bolts. That's it. 4, 8, 12. Yep, 12 bolts. And they're on. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly where they go. I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna try to keep my rock slider on. It says if you have another step, obviously if the step sticks out, duh. But I have a rock slider. I wanna see if it fits. And if it fits, golden. The instructions say to have these from the front to the rear go just like this. You could probably see them maybe now like that. One shorter, a little bit longer, and then longest. That longest one you can't tell unless you really, it's maybe like a ½ inch longer. So the shorter one in the front, and then it's just those. Right there is where those screws go in, into the mount where I was taking those other screws out. All right, so I got the rails off. When I got the mounting point, there's 1 screw or 1 bolt. 1 nut that won't come off, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I tried to fit it on with my OEM Rubicon sliders. I thought it would work. It's just not far enough this way. So this is what I got. I took the sliders off because I had to. So that's the hanger. And then right here is this 1 bolt is just spinning in there, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But other than that, we're good to go. Finished the passenger side. Just tightening up some things, just so you can see what it looks like. There it is. It's pretty neat. It's kind of tight on there. Looks really good, I think. And yeah, now I just gotta tighten the bolts out underneath here and all that stuff, and I'll bring you on with it. All right. These are the mounting brackets, so I'm just gonna tighten these up now. I'm gonna keep on doing that to all the rest of them, and then I'll come back and show you how to tighten this guy. Okay, I tightened all those from there, there, and there. Now I gotta do these little guys right here. Sorry if I went too close. All right, now it's just doing these guys right here, which shouldn't be that difficult. It's a 13 millimeter. Got a washer. And go around and do all these for all these, and then we will be all set. Not going anywhere, brah. All right, guys, here we go. Here you have it. They're installed. Looks pretty cool, pretty nice. The driver's side, as I said, the bracket I gotta fix. I got it on there. You know, it's not the sturdiest up front, but I can step here in the middle, use it for now. It'll be fine. And once I get that bracket in there, we'll get it in there nice. It'll be nicely done. Sorry. Not like the other side, which is done. Looks nice. Like I said, it didn't work with the Rubicon on there, but let me tell you what, they are solid as a rock.
Hey everybody, thank you very much. Geronimo here, Geronimo Lifestyle, again, for supporting me on my Jeep adventures, and hopefully you guys can keep coming and enjoying my adventures. See you soon. Peace.